Hi, in this video we'll try to study how to do subsetting in a regression and also how to do an interaction, how to add an interaction effect to a regression. So first we will open the Jaguar console. Then we will load the Leslie data. Leslie, it's in the desktop folder. Leslie salt. Have loaded the data. So I will recode county as a factor. That's all. So we know how to do a simple linear regression. So I will add the variable price and elevation. Elevation is a dependent variable. Suppose if we want to know what is the relationship between price and elevation just for county 0. Only when the variable county takes the level 0. So we can code it here as subset as county equal to 0. Then we will run it. We'll get it. So the relationship between elevation and price for county equal to 0 is 4.12 or 4.2. So similarly we will do the same thing. Relationship between price and elevation for county equal to 1 will be 0.68. So in county 1 the relationship between elevation and price is 0.68. So subsetting can be a convenient way to subset a part of data and do any analysis as a regression on that part of data. So now we will try to see how to test an interaction effect, interaction hypothesis, to do an hypothesis that. So suppose in this case if we want to test the hypothesis that the relationship between elevation and price is different between county 0 and county 1, or whether this 4.2 is significantly different from 0.67, 0.68, we can test such hypothesis by adding an interaction effect. More on why we are doing that and how to interpret the coefficient, refer to the lecture note. So how to do it? You add analysis, linear model. So you need two variables. Your variables of interest are elevation, which is numeric, and county is a factor. You are not subsetting the data. So once this is done, so the only change that you need from the multiple regression from doing a multiple regression is first you have to add the main effect as in multiple regression. Then you will have to add this interaction effect also. So continue, run. So you are done. So the interaction effect is minus 3.51 and it is significant because the p-value is less than 0.05. And how you will interpret this result is the elevation, the relationship between elevation and price is lower in county 1 when compared to county 0 by a value of minus 3.51. Also another kind of interpretation that you can make is for county 0, when these two terms are taking 0, the relationship between elevation and price is 4.2, And for count D1, the relationship between elevation and price will be 4.2 minus 3.5, that is equal to 0.68. I'll repeat. The interpretation of this term will be that the relationship between elevation and price will be lower in count D1 by minus 3.51 when compared to that of that relationship in count D0.